Hi, and welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about advanced stock screening tools. Being a Premier member has its advantages as it unlocks a number of advanced stock screening tools for you to use. This short tutorial will point out some special filters unique to your Premier membership, all of which can help you find better top stocks, ETFs, and funds. Hopefully, by now you've had a chance to use the stock screener and you're familiar with some of the different filter categories available. When searching for stocks based on analyst ratings and quarterly earnings, Premier members have access to a number of filters that can narrow down stocks based on how outside industry experts are weighing in on them. Let's look at the Index Groups filter. This filter allows you to start by selecting stocks belonging to the S&P 500, Dow, etc., and then you can apply additional criteria if you choose. Of course, your Premier membership also allows you to do the same thing by going to the Index's Components page and then clicking on the screen icon. The same concept, taking the data that you see in the table, applies to many of the other major pages on the site where you see the screen icon, like on the Top Stocks to Own page, the New Highs and Lows, Top 100 Stocks, etc. All you have to do is click the screen icon, and you're going to pull all of those symbols that you see on the page into the stock screener, where you can apply additional filters to narrow them down. Here's another filter that's unique to your Premier membership that I think you'll find very helpful. If you've created watch lists or portfolios in your account, you're already following a set group of symbols that are of interest to you. You can run a screener against any set of watch list or portfolios. You can do this by selecting the filter right there in the screener. Or if you go directly to your watch list or portfolio page, use that screen icon and it's going to pull the stocks into your stock screener. One thing I do want to point out is if you have a watch list or portfolio with other asset classes like futures or Forex, those symbols obviously are not pulled into the stock screener. It will pull in only your equities. The next group of Premier filters I'm going to talk about are the bar chart opinion and bar chart indicator filters. If you're familiar with bar chart opinion, you know that we calculate buy, sell, and hold signals for 13 common technical indicators. Now, we calculate opinions every 20 minutes during the day using delayed data from the exchanges. The screener is going to let you filter for stocks where a specific indicator has made a new buy, sell, or hold signal during the current trading day. Simply select the strategy and select the Made New Signal filter. These filters look for the first new signal made during the trading day. They're not intended to tell you whether a stock moves from a buy to a hold to a sell and then back to a buy during the current session. Instead, they are designed to tell you when today's price action signaled a change in the buy-sell interpretation of a given indicator from yesterday's interpretation. Combine these opinion filters with other filters to match your trading strategy. Premier members may also screen for stocks with specific candlestick patterns. Now, Japanese candlestick patterns are popular trading signals that many traders use to determine price direction and momentum. And by choosing a candlestick pattern to your stock screener, you can start with a basic set of symbols that you can proceed to narrow down. Using flip charts on the results and then applying a candlestick chart template, you can also further analyze the results that have been presented to you. As you can see, your Premier membership gives you many additional ways to screen for promising trading candidates. If you should have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to contact your Premier support team. Thank you again for using barchart.com.